Hello, people. Here I am back again. Today, this is what we're gonna be working on. This is my first time actually doing his dread, and as you can see, the dread is pretty much all gone. It's pretty much all gone, but we are going to revive this dread back to life today. We are going to do that. When I say we, I'm talking about myself and my client. Whatever I said I'm going to do, he agrees to it with regarding his dread, and we both are working as a team. So the side of his dread, I'm gonna take some dread from the back and attach it to the front. Okay. Um, you can see the top. There is nothing left in there, but the back is barely even holding on to anything. It's pretty much like about to fall off. You can see that it's holding on to nothing. The top is all gone. So what I'm gonna be doing today, I'm gonna try to bring this dread back to life. I'm gonna take some from the back and put it with to the ones in the front. And the back, I'm gonna cut it down, the edges, the sides. I'm gonna cut it down. So let's see how we can bring this dread back to life.
Hello guys, this is my first time here. I just enjoy it myself, such a professional atmosphere. Like all the products are just high quality. She does quality work. I felt good the whole entire time. I felt taken care of, and I just really appreciate everything. I really love my hair. Hey guys, look at this. The way I came in and the way I'm leaving. Oh, two different people.